Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency, specifically focusing on how to read a crypto chart. If you're new to this space, understanding charts can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you in a simple and engaging way. First, let's talk about what a crypto chart is. At its core, a crypto chart is a visual representation of a cryptocurrency's price movements over time. It helps traders and investors analyze past performance and make informed decisions about future trades. The most common type of chart you'll encounter is the candlestick chart, which displays the open, high, low, and close prices for a specific time period. Each candlestick represents a set time frame, be it minutes, hours, or days, allowing you to see how the price fluctuated during that period. Now, let's get into the basics of reading these charts. The first thing to look for is the trend. Is the price generally moving up, down, or sideways? An upward trend indicates that buyers are in control, while a downward trend suggests sellers are dominating the market. Sideways movement can indicate indecision among traders. Recognizing these trends is crucial for making educated decisions. Next, pay attention to support and resistance levels. Support is the price level where a cryptocurrency tends to stop falling and may bounce back up, while resistance is where the price often stops rising and may fall back down. Identifying these levels can help you anticipate potential price movements and set your entry and exit points more effectively. Volume is another key factor to consider. It shows how much of a cryptocurrency is being traded over a specific period. High volume can indicate strong interest in a particular price movement, while low volume may suggest a lack of conviction. When combined with price movements, volume can provide valuable insights into the strength of a trend. Don't forget about indicators. Tools like the Relative Strength Index, or SI, and moving averages can help you gauge whether a cryptocurrency is overbought or oversold. These indicators can provide additional context to your analysis and help you make more informed decisions. As you start your journey into reading crypto charts, remember that practice makes perfect. Spend time analyzing different charts and don't hesitate to seek out resources and communities that can support your learning. The more you engage with the material, the more confident you'll become. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide helps you feel more equipped to tackle crypto charts. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and tips on navigating the world of cryptocurrency. Happy trading, and see you next time.